virtual reading room where your imagination's in full bloom. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog, dog. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fish, fish. G is for goat, goat. H is for hat, hat. I is for insect, insect. J is for jump, jump. K is for kite, kite. L is for lion, lion. M is for monk, monkey. N is for nose, nose. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for pig, pig. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rainbow, rainbow. S is for sun, sun. T is for tiger, tiger. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for violin, violin. W is for water, water. X is for xylophone, xylophone. Y is for yo-yo, yo-yo. Z is for zebra, zebra.
driving down the lane. W is for the whales who sing in the sea. X is for X-rays, cool to see. Y is for the yaks with the shaggy hair. Z is for the zebras with stripes to spare. We just rapped our ABCs. Come along and dance with me.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos.